ESG, Environmental, Social, and Governance Criteria. Businesses and economic systems are inextricably linked to the environment and society. The decisions that are made by businesses have an impact on the environment and society, and vice versa. In the past, businesses have largely operated without taking into account the negative external consequences of their actions on the environment and society. This has led to a number of problems such as climate change, pollution, and social inequality. Many countries, especially developing countries, have had devastating management, manufacturing, and environmental practices that are not acceptable today. The cost of environmental and social damage was externalized, while the profits were privatized. This is no longer sustainable. In an effort to address these problems, a number of organizations have developed standards and frameworks for measuring and reporting on a company's performance in specific areas that are relevant to its impact on the environment and society. In this way, businesses can be accountable for their actions, and investors can make more informed decisions about where to allocate their capital. One of the most commonly used frameworks is the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI. However, there are a number of other frameworks that are being developed and used by businesses, including the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, SASB or SASB, the International Integrated Reporting Council, IIRC, and the Climate Disclosure Standards Board, CDSB. While there is no perfect way to measure and report on a company's impact on the environment and society, these frameworks provide a starting point for businesses to begin to address their social and environmental responsibilities.